Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, so this is my first unboxing from the Spider-Man booth. Picked up 3 of their $30, $30 mystery boxes. Not sure, I can't remember what the GP was when I got these, so we'll just open them up, show you what I got. Just a little background, it's been 20 plus years or so since I actually, probably more like 25 plus years since I actually got, or since I last collected comics. So I'm actually just getting back into it. So a lot of this stuff is brand new to me. I don't have any idea of what they are. So please do leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what they are, which ones are actually valuable, which ones are not. That'll help me out greatly as far as like what I do with them really in the future, or I might just keep them all. I don't know what my plans are right now for them, but yeah, let me know. So let's open these up, take a look, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I can't find my knife for some reason, so we're just gonna have to do it this way. Use a scissor. All right, well, make it a little more difficult than it needs to be, I'm sure. All right. So there's one box right there. I guess I could have just opened them, made it easier. Box number 2, I feel like Peter boxes. And okay, so got these 3. Actually ordered a few of the V9s, so we're just waiting for those to get in, but we'll do some regular mystery boxes for now, and while we wait for that. Alright, so we got please join us Insta Mondays. Okay, cool. So we'll just go through each box. Here's the first box. Alright, first book. No idea. The New World. Okay. Next. Ooh, okay. The Amazing Spider-Man. This is number 3 variant edition. Says it's a $15 book. Alright. Here we have James Bond 007. If any of these are like special variants or whatnot, or worth quite a bit, just let me know. There's The Amazing Mary Jane number 1 variant edition, a $15 book. But from the videos that I've seen, these prices are overpriced, obviously, so I will take it for what it is and assume it's lower than value that's on the sticker. But here we have looks like a Virgin variant of something. Take a look at which title this one is. It's the Amazing Spider-Man $7.98 variant edition. Supposedly this one's a $30 book. Okay, so that's box 1. As of right now, I haven't decided on what my goal is for these boxes. Do I plan on just going for what I like and then selling off the rest or whatever? But yeah, I don't know yet. We got the Mech Cadet U. Never heard of that one. Looks like. Okay. I'm looking for like the slab stuff, but none in these boxes so far. And probably won't have them either. Next we have Dark Knight's Metal. This is a $15 book. Cool art. Snot Girl. Okay. Interesting. Snot Girl. That might be an interesting read. I'm curious to see what this one's about. It's by Image. Oh, I didn't know Image was still around. All right, next we have a $20 book. Deceased #1. Is this a variant? Standard cover? Let me know. Okay. And finally, another $20 book. This looks like Deadpool Carnage. That's a really sweet cover. I wanna know what this one is. This one is definitely a keeper, just because I like the cover art. Unknown Comics. It's Absolute Carnage versus Deadpool. Let's see, Unknown Comics variant edition. Just variant edition. Okay, so there is that one. Very sweet cover. I will take that. All right, that's 2 boxes down. Last box. Top book, The Avengers No Road Home. Bloodshot #1. So it's the new Bloodshot #1. I actually have the original Bloodshot #1. Hope the movie does well. I actually have a lot of Bloodshot books, old ones, and hopefully they do well so I can get rid of my old stuff. Recently I went through my old comics real quick. I have like boxes and boxes of what looks to be pretty worthless books. Did find some nice grails, but all in all, yeah. All right, Sons of the Devil, issue 10. Next, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, $20 book. This is number 74. And pretty sweet cover. $25 listed price. Which one is this? Oh, this is Venom #1 variant. Venom, huh? That's cool. It's a cool cover. Alright, so that is it for my 3 boxes of the Spider-Man booth. Mystery boxes. Didn't look like I hit the grail. Nothing big that I noticed. So there's that. Yeah, please comment. Hit like if you enjoy the video, and yeah, let me know what you think. What's good in here, what's not, anything I need to know about any of the of the books that I may need to check on. I heard there was some that, you know, you can't tell by just looking at it, but could be like a double cover, or there's miscellaneous stuff that could make a book that don't look too valuable actually really valuable. So yeah, please let me know, and please subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna have hopefully more unboxings. I have actually ordered 4 boxes of the V9s, so they will be coming out soon. I've already ordered 2 boxes of the V10s, again, and have a lot more of these mystery boxes coming. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. We will see you next time.